Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Libratone headphones with any Android phone or tablet. So first of all, you need to simply click and hold this button to turn on your headphones, and when you do this, this indicator turns on. Next, you have to use this button and also click and hold it until indicators are right here and right here start blinking. It's not good visible, but let me show you. I'm gonna cover, as you can see right now, they are blinking definitely. The same for the left side. So right now it means that they are visible to other devices. So all I have to do is to simply open the settings on our phone. We have to go straight to the Bluetooth settings. We have to click to pair new device and select Libratone Q Adapt from available devices list. Now just be patient and wait a little bit. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and we have to also open the Play Store and get the Libratone application. So we have to get this one, and in this application we'll be able to check, for example, the serial number, use sound equalizer, or adjust other settings of the headphones. So it's worth to get it. Right now we can just open it. We have to accept all permissions that will pop on the screen. We have to click to add the new product. Right now we have to log in with our Libratone account, with Google or Facebook account, you can decide. I'm gonna do this with my Google account, and that's the new, some kind of the subscription to the latest information from the Libratone. I don't need this actually, so I'm gonna tap later and just simply select all permissions. Right now we have to pick this one, the Q Adapt, from the list. That's the quick guide that we can simply skip or just take a look for it. And as you can see, here we are in the application. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.